Hey guys, and welcome to what we are now calling the Non-Owner Verified Profile Discovery Tool, or NOVP Discovery Tool for short. No software to download, just enter this data. So you enter your keyword, your location, and your API key. To find how to get your API key, really it's just go to the video tutorials. Tutorial 1, find your API key. It takes a minute. And we've got some amazing education provided by my good buddy Bradley Benner.
I'm just going to provide you with some information about how I'm using Peter Drew's GMB Finder tool, which shows how to find non-owner verified profiles, and kind of a process that I'm developing right now for prospecting.
So there you go, make sure you watch that video. Now, with the API script you get Google gives you a $300 credit to use, but you can make one Google API key with each Google account you have, so it's never going to cost you a cent. So how the script works, it's our software working in conjunction with the Google API. So we do the search, and we've just updated this script today to add another amazing feature. So I'll run it now. This script takes between 3 and 10 minutes depending on the volume of results that it gets for that term and in that location. So I'll click submit, and then I'll press pause, and I'll come back. Hey guys, back again. That took exactly 5 minutes to get these results for this term in this location. Now I've already looked at these results and they're pretty impressive. What I need to make clear is Google API gives you this data, this data, this data, this data, very conveniently, thank you very much, phone formatted, but it doesn't give you this data. Our software works in conjunction with the API. It grabs the API data, then our software goes out and finds these and tells you the properties that are unclaimed. Beautiful. But also what it does, when it finds an unclaimed business like this one here, our software goes to this site, scrapes it, and looks for an email address. If the email address is there, boom, it will put it right there in the script. So what you're looking for is results with check, claim, business. That means it's unclaimed, you can claim this business, and the software goes to this site, scrapes it, and if it's got an email address, boom, it will put it there. Now what's important, that's a bigpond.com. In Australia, for our international viewers, that means that's our biggest ISP, so that's a real legitimate email. If you email that, you will get directly to the owner of this business. So let's see what we got. Claim this business, boom, and another ISP on the net. So that's another incredibly powerful email to use. Another one, bigpond.com, beautiful. This one here, so our software couldn't find an email address, but that is, you can claim this business here, but of course you can just ring that person. So there you go. So there you go. This script combined with our software and this 45 minutes of content is enough for anyone with GMB ranking skills to start their own agency. Boom.